As the world's leading company in the production and development of communication solutions, we always set the highest goals. With each new product comes a small revolution. We're constantly asking ourselves, what would make the daily lives of our clients even easier? Today, we have a product for you that is the answer to that question. Hi, my name's Jacob, and I'm very happy to introduce you to the new Access Unit from 2N. At 2N, we rely heavily on practical, elegant solutions, and these values are also born in our new Access Unit app. Installing Access Units is often complicated by spatial limitations. Therefore, we were looking for a more compact form of the reader to solve this problem. The narrow design of the reader makes it perfect for installation on a door frame outside of an office building or anywhere you fight for space. Compact design, high-quality materials, made in the EU. Scratch-resistant tempered glass and a durable plastic surface guarantee trouble-free functioning even after years of intensive operation. The product is certified IK7, and the reader is waterproof with an IP55 certification and is therefore suitable also for outdoor use. You'll love it for its simplicity. It combines two devices in one. It's a controller and a reader. Simply put, one door, one unit, nothing more. It comes in 3 variants: RFID for card opening, RFID and Bluetooth for card and mobile access, and RFID and keypad for card opening and PIN. The device is especially suitable for the modern office building. However, it can also be used in the common areas of residential buildings. 2N Access Unit app, truly one in a million.